In this video, we're going to cover how to install FFmpeg on Windows, and also how to set the FFmpeg path in the Windows environment variables. As you might already know, there are certain packages in Python, for example, that require FFmpeg to function. So first, let's start by searching for FFmpeg on Google. Once the results load, you'll spot the official FFmpeg website. Go ahead and click on it. Now that we're on the site, you'll notice a download button. Click on that. Next, scroll down a bit, and since we're using Windows, we need the Windows version of FFmpeg. So just hover over the Windows icon, and you'll see two download options appear. Click the one labeled Windows Builds by BTBN. Once you're on that page, scroll down again. Because we're on Windows, we'll need one of the builds listed for it. I personally prefer using Windows 64-bit GPL version, and I recommend you choose that too. Click on that download link and wait for the download to complete. As you can see, it's done now. Here's the downloaded zip file. I'll select it and press Ctrl+X to cut the file. Now let's head to this PC, then go to the C drive. Here I'm going to create a new folder. You can name it whatever you like, but I'll name mine FFmpeg for clarity. Now open the folder you just created and paste the file inside. After that, you'll need to extract the zip file. Right click on it and choose Extract Here. Once that's done, you can delete the zip file. It's no longer needed. Now, go into the extracted folder, then into the bin folder. Inside bin, select all the files, press Ctrl+X to cut them, go back to the main FFmpeg folder and paste them there. Now that we've moved the files, we can delete that extra folder as well. Alright, the next step is to tell Windows where FFmpeg is located. To do that, just copy the current folder path from the address bar. Then, press the Windows key on your keyboard and search for something like Environment Variables. From the suggestions, click on Edit the System Environment Variables. A window will pop up. Click on the Environment Variables button. Now, under the section called System Variables, find the one labeled Path and double-click on it. In the new window, hit New and then paste the path we copied earlier. Press Enter, then OK, and again press OK to close all the windows. Let's now make sure that FFmpeg was installed properly. Press the Windows key again, and this time search for Command. Once Command prompt shows up, click to open it. Inside the terminal, just type FFmpeg and press Enter. If everything is set up correctly, you should see a list of FFmpeg options, which confirms that the installation was successful.